I ate him, that's why you hear his voice.
Okay, I want you to go to bed, though.
Okay.
Love you, buddy.
Love you, Mom. Well, John showed the old Beyblades. I forgot that.
Do we still have our Beyblades?
No.
We got rid of them a long time ago.
Why did we get rid of those things?
Because we never used them.
Them anymore.
You guys couldn't play with them anymore.
I'm gonna play these for a while.
We were too mature for little metal circles. And I moved on to $4 cube games. Very mature of me. It's over. It's over. Lol is lol backwards. Rob Top. That's all I have to say. GG. That took way too long. I'm gonna cry in my pants. I'm gonna cry in my pants. I'm gonna pant my cries. I'm gonna cry in my pants. Okay, so I beat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 6, 7. I'm a bit shaky.